Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 XLT in lightning blue with grey cloth interior. Seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 3.5-liter V6 engine and it's an EcoBoost. As well, it's a 4x4. It also has a trailer tow package with Pro Trailer Backup Assist. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here. There's a grab handle making it easier to get in. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media control with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, as well as a menu that you can toggle through. We'll just get to the top there, display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have submenus. Your automatic select shifter has drive mode, and when you press the end here, you'll see it come up, normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. In the center, there's a cubby. You have your traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. And there's your radio options of AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio. You also have CD and Bluetooth. And below that is your volume and tuner. There's your CD player, your climate control with AC and max AC, as well as front defrost. And then down below, you're seeing USB as well as 12 volt, and there's a little bin to put things in, 4x4 with locking differential, and Pro Trailer Backup Assist. There's also integrated trailer brake controller. In the center, you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders. You can open this up for more storage, and then flip the seat right up for another seating position. Underneath, you can unclip, and you have more storage, as well as a couple of cup holders that flip right out. Off to the side is a 12 volt. You also have a locking glove compartment, manually dimming rear view mirror, as well as your lighting controls and sunglass holder. There's a grab handle in the body for the passenger to make it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, black door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is just below that handle. You also have 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When we open up the tailgate, you're going to notice inside it's got this nice spray and liner with tie downs in all 4 corners. As well, you have a tailgate step to make it easier to get in. And then you can close everything up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. To bring it back down, simply pull the clip, and there's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. There's slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage, a couple of cup holders, and a 12 volt in the center there. You're also seeing the carpeted mats. There's grab handles in the body, and up above, hooks and lighting. Bumper, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.